kids, I'm Stanley the Pup.
We're gonna count from 1 all the way to 20. Can you count, clap, and wag your tails with me? Let's go. 1, 2. Clap your paws, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 5, 6, clever tricks. 5, 6, clever tricks. 7, 8, feeling great. 7, 8, feeling great. 9 and 10, woof again. 9 and 10, woof again. Now jump up high and spin around. We're counting fun with a puppy sound. Shake your tail, tap your feet, counting numbers to the beat, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, ring that bell. 13, 14, ring that bell. 15, 16, let's bark loud. 15, 16, let's bark loud. 17, 18, so proud. 17, 18, so proud. 19, 20, let's dance around. Wag your tail 1 time, woof. Clap your paws 2 times, clap, clap. Spin in a circle 3 times fast. Now shout your number 20 at last. 20. Count with Stanley 1 to 20. Laughs and learning, we've got plenty. Clap, jump, spin, hooray! We love to count and learn each day. Woo! You did it! You counted all the way to 20. You're the smartest pups in the park. See you next time for more learning and more woofs. Whoop, whoop.
Woof, woof. D is for dog, like me. Woof, woof. Say D.